Good afternoon, this is Peter Solman with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I'm going to give you a walkthrough of our 2019 Sea Ray 250 SLX. At the transom of the boat, we have a nice lounger here. Props up like so. 2 cup holders on each side with a 12 volt for your phone. Stows away easy like so. Over here we have a Fusion stereo remote and a sprayer to keep you from tracking dirt in and out of the boat. This boat is the dune interior with the infinity woven flooring. Up here we have a nice sports tower, which is ideal for doing some water sports, with an integrated bimini top that'll give you an ideal amount of shade, get you out of the sun. Twin captain's chairs with thigh-high bolsters. They both go forward and back and swivel, so you can enjoy the partying back here. At the helm, we have 2 large Simrad displays, flush-mounted Fusion stereo remote, leather-wrapped wheel, and all of our switching as well. In our head compartment, nice roomy head, even for some tall people. Currently has the bow filler cushion in there as well. Moving forward to the bow, we have a ton of spots for storage. Underneath here, and then this spot right here is pretty nice. This comes open, opens like that. Ton of room back there. All right, guys, again, this is Peter Solman with MarineMax. If you have any questions about this or any other boat we have, you can visit us online or come see me personally. Thank you.